That's life.
Sold out here in San Diego tonight. 3 of the first 4 games were blackout. The set by Phillips, leads 7-16 for Kyle Orton in Denver.
Không ngờ đã còn nào. Được rồi, cũng không.
And we have movement up front.
False start. 78, offense. 5-yard penalty. Still third down.
Ron Rivera, the defense coordinator for the San Diego Chargers, loves to bring the heat. And this is a good blitzing team. They only blitz about 34% of the time, but the quarterback rating against the defense when the Chargers blitz is a lowly 65.
What a fucking hell of a corner.
This time, Orton surveys the rookie Demarius Thomas. Right over the cover. The Broncos will punt it away.
Well, they blew a golden opportunity that time. Had great field position. The sack by Phillips forced them way behind in the down and distance.
Darren Sproles away. Burton Colquitt to punt. His brother Dusty Ricks to Kansas City. Dad and his uncle also punted in the lead. Big old moon ball. Sproles to the fair catch. At the 12-yard line, John.
We'll take a look at the sack. Normally, when the tackle blocks down on the backside, the defensive end closes. But Phillips, he saw it the whole way. He went straight up the field for Orton. Easy sack. When you run that protection and ask a back to come across the formation to block an outside linebacker, you're counting on him to close. When he goes straight up the field, that's a tough adjustment for any fullback.
As a fullback, you have to have your head on the swivel. You see an outside linebacker on the line of scrimmage, he's going to be coming. You got to abandon the fake and get out there and make the block.